So guys, the last function in the alignment part is zfill. Now what zfill function does is used to fill a string with zeros on its left until it reaches a certain width, else called padding. Yeah. So if the prefix of a string is a sign character plus or minus, the zeros are added after the sign character rather than before. So the Python string zfill method does not fill the string with length of string is greater than the total width of the string after padding. Same as we have seen earlier for ljust in my previous videos. Now the zfill works similar to rjust method if we assign 0 to fill character parameters of the rjust method. Yeah, so it works exactly like rfill, yeah, rjust, wherein if we fill r just by zeros. So if we have the, let me put the syntax first for so here is the syntax. Let me put it this way. So zfill, so it would be like str dot zfill, and we need to specify the width. Yes. So this is how it looks like, and it is same like what is rfill, r just, where you specify zeros. So suppose I had this string str1, which is eyes can analyze. Yeah, yeah. And we say zfill 40. So I'll say print zfill str dot zfill print str.zfill str1, yeah, zfill, and I'll specify the limit of zfill, that is 40. It will automatically fill on the left hand side with zeros. Yeah, this is similar to what we have the print. If I put r just and if I want to fill the character with zero, it's a similar output that we get with r just and zfill. Yeah, okay. Now, the width of zfill method is less than the string, then the original string is returned. It's the same thing that we have done. So if we have the string which is lesser than the original string, let me put it this way. Let me have zfill here, and again the same output. So you get the original string, that is I can analyze without any. The important thing that I use it for is mostly if we create a string that holds a date as the input. Yeah. The zfill method is called to return the string in a standard date format, that is DDMMYY. So suppose I have this example. So suppose I have day equals to 20. Yeah. And I have month that is equals to June, that is 6th. Yeah. And I have the year that is equals to 2024, that is 2024. Yeah. Now suppose I have a function where I want to get this date. So I'll say def, I'll say uh, f date, and I'll get this days, day, comma, month. Do not worry about the function as of now. I will, we will have a separate session on function. So I'll say day, that is equals to day, z fill as 2, month zfill as 2, year zfill as 4. Yeah. And I'm trying to join all the string. So this will return date, month, and year. So I'll say my function was fday, and I'll pass on day, comma month, comma year. Yeah. So this function will return me a date. Yes. And I'll say print. I'll say print here. Print fday. Yeah. So it will provide me a date. Now, the point that you need to see is I have the day as two characters, two digits. Month is in single digit. So I want the month in two digits as well, which has to be padded with 0. So let's see the modified date. So modified date with Z fill. So I want to pad it automatically with 0. So let's see what happens. See this? So 6 is automatically padded with 0, and you get the date as 06. So this is how I use it in real life scenarios. zfill, which is important in certain parts where date becomes very crucial in data analysis, and you want the dates to be in a specific format so that you can analyze them properly to give you a trend analysis or time series analysis. Hope you like this formula, and this, I think this is more informative. Do like, comment, or share this videos to your friends, and do subscribe to my channel to get such more informative and easy to understand videos. Thank you so much.